Welcome to the prior demonstration of speed and direction control of DC motor through Bluetooth HC-05 using PIC Micro-controller. In this project we are using PIC Micro-controller. So here we can see the PIC Micro-controller. This is a PIC Micro-controller and this is a PIC Micro-controller both. And we are using a adapter. It takes 230 volts of power supply. So it will take 230 volts of power supply from here and will give 5 volts of DC. That 5 volts of DC we have named as a P or a power supply. We can give here. So we can see the connection. You can see the pin also. We need to give here. So after that we are using a L293D. First we are using a LCD display. At the same time we are using Bluetooth module. So first of all I will show you how LCD display will be interfaced with the PIC microcontroller. So first of all we need to take this one. So we will provide like this. We will set the pins to the LCD display. So after that we can see here we have mentioned here LCD. So this is the PIC microcontroller. So if we see like this, so this is the port B pins and these are the C pins and these are also C pins and these are the analog pins. So we are connecting this LCD display B2 to B7. So this is the LCD we have mentioned like this. So we need to connect this one to the B0 to B7. So here we can see. So now I have fixed this one LCD display. So it is port number B2, B7 are connected and the last two wires are the plus minus. After that we need to connect the Bluetooth module. So here we can see Bluetooth module. So we will give like this. So here we have mentioned as a B. B means Bluetooth module. So in the PIC microcontroller we can see clearly here. So after the two pins, so here we can see 1 and 2, we need to connect this one. So here we can see the two pins are empty and the another pins are connected to the Bluetooth module. So this we can see these are C6, C7 pin and these are the plus minus. So we can see here. So after that we need to go for the L293D connections. So so here we can see we are using L293D with this board also. So we have attached IR sensor and the DC fan to a PWC board, WPVC board. So this is the IR sensor power supply. We have mentioned here IR power supply. So this is the minus place and these are the IR means output. Now we are connecting this negative and positive to the this side of the analog pins. After that we can see IR. This is it is connected to the analog A4. So this is the analog A4. After that we need to connect this L293D pin connections to the. So we have mentioned with the marker. So we need to connect here only. And also we need to provide a 5 volts power supply for the L293D. For that one, so we can see another power supply we have taken. So we have mentioned that negative and plus we need to place like this. So in this PIC microcontroller, last pin is a negative. Here also last pin negative, and this side also last pin negative, and this time also last pin is negative. And after the negative pin we can see the positive pin, and here also after the negative pin we can see the positive. The same way LCD also connected here. So the connections are over. And also here we can see this DC motor is connected to the A minus A plus with the soldering, and also we can see this C0 C1 is connected to the IN1 IN2 and the C2 is connected with the E1. E1 means enable 1. So here we can see C2 is the orange pin. It is connected with the E1 enable pin. Now we will see. Now we will show you how it will be works. So first of all, we need to arrange this one with the distance. So we have attached this DC motor with the IR sensor in a WPVC separately, because this IR sensor distance will be affect the RPM. So that's why I have attached this IR sensor to this one with the proper distance. Now I am giving the power supply to this using the socket board. Now we can see total power system in on position. Now we need to go for the Bluetooth settings. So it is the Bluetooth settings. So here we can see HC-05. We need to go for this one. It will ask a password. So password should be 1, 2, 3, 4 and click OK. Save it. After that, here we can see HC-05 will be saved here. We need to connect this HC-05 in another app. So that app name is Bluetooth Android Bluetooth controller. We need to go for this one, and after that, so we can see the home interface like this. So we need to go for the refresh or arrow mark for this one, and we can see here it is showing HC-05. We need to connect this one. So we can see the Bluetooth light indication. So if it is connected, then we can see Bluetooth will be blinks with delay time. Now we need to go for the robo logo, and we have to go for the vocal command button configuration. So here we can see I have data for the button A L, for the button B R, for the button C U, and for the button D I have given as D value. Now I am going with the button configuration. Now first of all, we need to set a direction, either it a forward or reverse. So L is a forward side, or back, L is a backward, and R is a forward side. So we can see here. So if I want to increase this one, so we need to press U. U means up. So I will show you. If I press U, then it will blink a light. So we can see it is blinks, and take some delay time. After that, again blink U. It will be off. The same way, take some time and press, because we need to give a signals with a delay time. Then only it will give a proper output. So now it is on, and we can see the RPS rotating per second. Now I am increasing again. So we can see the RPM will be also increased. So we need to we don't want to give very speed button clicking, so it will may stuck. So that's why we have to give a with the delay time. Now again I am increasing. Now I am decreasing the speed. So we can see RPS also decreasing. You can see the fan value also. In this way, this product will be works.